And here we have just some film of what's left of the railway line from Brisbane down to Southport. Brisbane on the east coast of Australia, about an hour to Southport. This line was erected in 1888, thereabouts, and finished up around about 1963. And this is one of the remaining tunnels. As we can see, we have the artists clean up after themselves, which is good. It's not that long really, fairly dark. And we can see the other end there. And obviously there's the usual ghost stories and the like related to the tunnel. Lots of activities of people making films and modelling shoots. So it's well used, which is good. And we can see it's quite popular. Lots of people visiting the tunnel. And here's the eastern end of the tunnel as we come out into the nice sunshine there. Unfortunately, there's a housing estate and industrial estate over what remains of the line. And just a few information boards here to help out, give the people something to read. We come across, as I say, where the line went is now a housing estate, so there we go. Another information board there. And here is the Ernset Junction sign. This is just a replica, unfortunately, it's not the original. There is a Facebook page, Friends of Ernset Junction Tunnel, or something like that, if you can look it up.